¿Quién me está llamando ahora? Dame un segundo. So I won't lose my phone. Alejandro, decime, we're going back to the car. Donde empieza el agua, basically. No, estamos saliendo. Dale, bye. 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 Hey, Fernando, I don't like Polaris.
Huh?
I don't like Polaris. They bounce too much.
Huh?
I don't like Polaris. They bounce too much.
They bounce too much?
Yeah.
Well, you never ride your bike with somebody at the back.
Nah, true. I wanna leave a bad review to Polaris. Ooh, you're gonna have a hard time in there in the hueco ese. There you go. Chris está yendo, dice, I'm gonna break my shit now. Straight to the water, and then you move the car over. On the power! Chris must be pissed because he just fixed it literally 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Sí, pero mira, acá vamos a salir en la misma entrada del camino de tierra.
Ah, ok.
Está bueno que Chris mueve el carro para acá a la entrada y, y lo monta ahí mismo. That's how we take it this way.
Por eso no me gustan los locks, ¿no? Esos locks especiales.
No, estos ayudan para salir del hueco.
No, los locks para la goma. O tú lo andas contigo o no se lo pones a la moto, porque si te pasa algo así, how you replace something with the tire on?
Yeah, but you're not expecting to break something so serious, so easily, after you replace it already.
Yeah.
A mistake for getting it from eBay.
Yeah.
Chinese stuff, you know, it might come from California, but it was shipped from China.
Yeah.
Both axles they're clicking now.
Yeah, everything is clicking in there.
I am recording now. Está pícara. Todas las piedras que hay acá y no helping the case. Está visca de verdad ahora. He's trying to turn one way and the go the other way.
No se dice, no es visca.
Creo que
la
hay.
breca.
Sí.
Creo que.
That does not look good. Yeah? You're not gonna be able to climb in there. Get that tire straight at least, so you're not fighting so much with it. For the next 2.5 feet.
You're gonna go that way?
Yeah, he's gonna try to climb up there because he's shorter. Nobody has a winch. We're gonna have to push it up in the truck. fucked already, so don't worry. Both of them sucked already. Get closer so we can help him out. I know, we get closer. Okay, fuck it, we don't want to caminar.
No, anyways, uno de los dos se tiene que bajar.
Yeah, right.
Ahí.
Sí. Not anymore. All right, ready?
Gerardo, para acá. Okay, so what we're gonna do?
Okay, look, you see that?
Yeah, he's trying to fall in the root, so it will be easy for the tire.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right in there?
One more?
One more time, yeah. Yeah, cause there's a stick in there. Does that make it clear in there?
Dale, keep it straight.
Yeah, I think it'll make it go before.
You're about to fall in the hole right now here. The tire is semi-straight.
I'm gonna put this guy up, we'll put him that way.
Okay, do it. Just flip it.
Alright, se fue para huevo ya. She's on the hole.
Hold on, slow, Chris, hold on. This is the part, hold on. Where's the wheel?
This wheel is straight.
And this one is not.
No, this one you aim in the wrong way.
Gotta stop.
Okay. I saw it stop. Move the bike. Ah, you're not gonna get up in there like that?
Wait, let me get close, go over, then you pull me, because you're gonna come back.
Hold up, let me get, you're good in there. Let me get this tire straight. Or semi-straight. Oh shit.
Wait. You do it together. Get up.
Okay, this tire is semi-straight now. Oh, you're gonna just push it over? Okay.
1 minute.
Alright, ready to go. You can lift it up.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. One more.
2, 3.
There you go. One more.
One more, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, fuck it. Okay, this tire is fine to turn. Okay, you can climb up now.
Wait. Move over with you, get on with you. This one, no. Holding the bike up with the guy.
Oh, we don't put that bike first up?
Yeah.
The rope.
Take out the hooks.
Lo que nos está aguantando aquí con la gasolina.
Yeah.
Let me walk it up, because I'm already up. Yeah.
Gerardo, tú hiciste el mengullo, ven.
No, estamos en un loop, así nada más.
¿Ah?
Es just un loop over.
No, pero tú sabes dónde estoy in there. Dame la tuya.
Sacate los dos. Sí, te dice, está. I got this in.
No, right there, no lo saque de ahí, no lo saque de ahí.
No, déjalo ahí.
Déjalo ahí.
So give me the other end.
No, yo es para que suba primero. Primero subimos la moto, después lo enganchamos.
Okay. Oh, you go just get the hook. Alright, give me some. Mira. Put it again, I'm gonna give you as much as you need to.
Hey, yeah, get off the bike, just in case.
Loop it on the same rope. Ready? No, that's it. It's hooked already in this end. Hold up. Ah, no. No, he's just giving you some more slack.
Okay.
Are you hooked? Chris, you're gonna be going 45 degree? Okay, yeah. Kick the tire. So make it go straight. There you go. Dale, keep going, keep going, keep going. I got this in. Okay, we got freedom. Alright, fuck it. Leave it in here, bring the truck over. Subí la moto ahora. La zona subida, dale, subida, dale. Ahí te vamos una toma heroica en el video. Go get the truck. And we wait here. Where was your brother?
You want me to go in?
Yeah, we wait for you here.
Like a baby.
La primera vez que subí una cita, yo estaba cagado. Porque la mía es más larga, que si se me cae encima me jode.
Ahorita ni pensé. No, Chris, I take it.
No, van a ir en el remoto, both of them.
Okay.
It's my keys. I'm acá, man. I'm getting
Fuck you, how you gonna get to it?
Ahora ver another bitch.
Shut it off. We wait for you. We're gonna charge you a holding fee, una beer, una cerveza, Coca-Cola, anti-Coke, fuck it.
Coca-Cola está rica.
Okay, thank you. Chris, you wanna take one? For the go? Chris, you taking one already? Okay, cool. No. Either beer or Coke.
Beer.
Okay. Wow, me da la cabeza el solazo que me morí ahí.
Sí. ¿A mí me tienen?
Nosotros se cogió el día, ya para carajo ya. Si la otra gente se regresa para atrás y quiere lavar la moto, nice, otherwise no, I'm taking off. La calor. No, he's gonna be pissed. Tener que cambiar los dos ejes o repararlo porque están los dos cliqueando. Un día fanguero.
Sí,
Estos son dos cubanos que acaban de llegar.
andan pasoleando.
Si no, ¿para qué van a ir dos machos en una scooter? Bueno, vamos a mover que son machos, ¿no? Le estamos dando ahí.
¿Está grabando?
Sí, ya sé.
No quiero decirlo en los comentarios. Se escucha Ariel allá. ¿Sí es Ariel?
Probablemente sí. Todavía hay un upside. La moto mía no se rompió.
Neither this one. The winch?
But the winch is knowing get the have a freight, you can expect it to last long. Mínimo un relay nuevo.
No, I had the Polaris 3500.
Sí, pues,
Brand new.
2500 no, es muy poquito.
3500
Ok, 3500 ya.
para esto.
3500 es el mínimo para sacarte el fango.
Es para la Ranger. Ese es 3500.
Sí,
Era.
vea. Ahora no jalan carajo. Ese es para el norte.
That's the kind of trailer that I want to buy.
Un
The one
toy,
that has the door on the back, yeah, you can.
ese mismo, un toy hauler. ¿Ese es para dónde va? Para weekend largo, para el norte.
No, it's too late already.
No, el lunes.
Saturday.
Es
Big
el
gun, but
sábado, no, sí. Está muy limpio, no está regresando en ningún lado, está muy limpio. Él va, it's going, domingo y lunes. Ese mínimo va para el lugar para Plan Bambú.
Plan Bamboo. I went once.
Yo no he oído que es arena y es muy chiquito.
Pequeño.
Pero para salir a esta hora,
¿Va?
para salir a esta hora, ese me imagino yo que puede ser el lugar que va. Está lindo.
Es una Alpina V7. That's top notch.
Ok, ahora podemos parar el video.